Hey everyone, and welcome to your video assignment with me, Mr. Hanson, your social studies teacher. This is actually a really cool one. I believe this is your first video assignment after your welcome video, and it's going to be called How to Complete a Unit Study Guide Exam, or I said that backwards, a Unit Exam Study Guide, not a Unit Study Guide exam. A Unit Exam Study Guide. Essentially, you're making a study guide, and it's pretty awesome for one big reason. I'm going to kind of spoil the surprise. You get to use your study guide on the test. You get to use your study guide on the unit exam test. I'm going to say, use your unit exam study guide on your unit exam, which is pretty awesome. These unit exam study guides are worth 10% of your grade on their own. And all you have to do is, follow these 3 steps to success. Step 1, make a copy of the Unit 1 study exam. I am going to say that wrong this whole video. I'm so sorry. Make a copy of the Unit 1 exam study guide. So let's take a look on how to do that really quickly. All right, I have it open. So here it is. This is the assignment. So after you watch this video and answer the questions, you're going to click the next button, and it's going to take you to this page, which will have this image of your study guide. However, you can't really interact with it. It's just kind of there. So what you want to do is you want to scroll on up where it says click here, click here. Would you like to make a copy? Yes, I would like to make a copy. I like to name it, make it my own, Mr. H, Social Studies, 8A Unit 1 exam, and I can use it, so then you put your name, Mr. H. Hanson, today's date's the 16th, and then from there, what I would do is I would really honestly have this open every time you're in my class. You can star it and bookmark it. You can have it in your Google Drive. That's why I name it. It's pretty, so I have it open. And every time you open up my class, I would have this open because it's actually pretty awesome. It's labeled for you, lesson 1. And then it's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 questions, and they're all going to be in lesson 1. For example, one major theory about human origins in the America is humans migrated across a land bridge over which strait about 1600 years ago. So let's go ahead and take a look at that lesson 1. So So I'm like, hey, lesson 1 is right here. Lesson 1. Here's what you're watching now. Here's where you download it. Awesome. And then right here in the video, North America, click. I already clicked it. It takes a while to load. You actually can find this right up here if you look, but if you watch the video, it's going to say it a little more clearly. And I kind of looked it up. It's the Bering Land Bridge Theory. So back to our thing that humans migrated across a land bridge over which strait? Which strait was it? A land bridge for the Bering Strait. So if you're like me, you might want to copy it and put it over here, and then go the Bering Strait was the bridge that, and then kind of just people migrated over in theory. Alright, well that's enough of that. So you get the idea. Alright, awesome. And then same thing, lesson 2, define totem. It's going to be, and they'll probably all be in a different one, just as a heads up tip. Alright, so back to the presentation. Alright, so again, that's tip 1, tip 2, and honestly, it's tip 3 as well. Because if you look at it really quickly, I'm going to open it back up, make it big, make a copy of the exam we just did. We have it open while we have a lesson, which I showed you how to do. And then you answer the questions provided, which I showed you where to find the answers. You find the answers in the lesson. And I know that sounds like a weird tip, but you'd be surprised how many people don't answer the questions or turn it in blank or turn it in with something that they think maybe I won't read, and I do, and I don't give you points, and it's kind of a bummer. And it's a bummer for two reasons. One, you're doing this so you can get not only 10%, it's worth 10% of your grade. Period. That's one big cool reason to do it. The other reason is you can use it on your exam. Hey, wait, let's see what the next page says. You can use it on your exam. So not only the exams were 20% of your grade, so you can use this and get 10%, just right there, and the answers are all right there. And you can use it on your exam and get like another 20% because you passed the exam. Like, that's awesome. And you can get a good grade, and you can use it, and I'm telling you to, because secretly there's a third reason, and that's that Mr. Hansen wants you to kind of slow down, take a moment, read everything, understand what you're reading, and write it down. And that's the sneaky teacher reason that I'm telling you. Shh, don't tell anyone. I'm trying to get you to learn. And that's ultimately, but if you're doing it, this helps you in all the ways. You learn, it helps you learn, helps you get good grades. It's awesome. And why not? I mean, you're doing it anyway. So really quickly, the example, we kind of went over this again. You want to answer these questions, make sure you put your name, and all of these are going to be in lesson 1. And that's pretty much it. I appreciate you hanging out with me. I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you for watching. That's the end. But wait, now we all know there's secret hidden scenes at the end of every video. Not mine, but this one has a still need help? Reach out. This is one of our first videos, so maybe you don't know or haven't felt comfortable reaching out to me yet. I'm happy to answer questions. You can email me. My email is right here. Boop, boop, boop. Phone number. That goes to my Google Voice, so you can message me anytime, and it will not bother me because it goes to my computer. So if I'm not on my computer, I don't get that message, which also means I won't be replying till I'm back on my computer the next day. But please reach out. Google Message, Google Chat. That's what it's called now. Google Chat is the quickest way because if I'm on the computer, I see a chat, I can respond to it right away. But yeah, just reach out if you need help. That's what I'm here for. All right, thanks everyone for your time. Again, I appreciate you. You rock. Answer the questions below, and just keep getting all these awesome points and passing class and learning social studies. And I'll be here if you need me. All right, bye.